A very quick and dirty tutorial on installing Wowza. I've only done this once, and I expect I will forget something that Caleb can correct on. So we're just going to search for Wowza download. We already have a license, so we're going to install Windows. And save. And now while that's going, we're going to go get OBS download. And on this one, we want Windows Classic and download OBS here. OBS should finish first. We'll go ahead and open it. It requires other components that it will. Yeah, here we go. DirectX. It's missing DirectX. So we say yes, and it'll take us to download them. Don't want that. Accept. Don't want Bing. Okay, well that's working. I'm going to go check something real quick. Yep, I am still recording, so that's good. All right. Alright, that's done. So now we're going to restart the OBS installation. This time it should go through. Alright, now we're going to open the Wowza. It's the Wowza that I may have a hard time setting up the proper settings, but we'll see. Okay, the license key. Caleb got this license key a couple of days ago, and it's July 12th. So there's the license key. I don't know how long it's good for, so that may be a problem. Username has to be something. We made it admin. I'm just going to use admin here for the password as well. So admin across the board. Start Wowza automatically. That's fine. Install. Alright. It it opens it. You open it from the system tray, but it opens inside of the browser. So we're going to skip the intro, admin, admin. All right, now, this may take a minute. Oh, I know where it was. Yeah, okay, Java settings up here. We're going to go to Java settings. We're going to edit, change this to production level, save, and restart. Okay, now we're going to go to applications. I think it's live single server. And we're adding an application here. We're going to call it convention. It didn't need a description. I don't think we did anything here. So we're just going to save it. And okay, this is the information here that the computers will use to stream. So this is it's going to be rtmp://192.168.12.111 in my case, :1935/convention, and then / the next thing we're going to get is from the OBS system. So on this, we're going to select this, and we're going to add a video capture device. You know what? Let me just go. I'm going to plug in the Epiphan so that we can just do it with. We'll see if that'll work on my Mac. Alright, let's try this. Oh, duh. It's not my Mac, it's my server. Okay, bear with me. Alright. Now the Epiphan is on my server. And now I'm going to plug in another USB camera for an audio source. Excuse me. Okay, so now we're going to go add a video capture device. We'll just call it Epiphan. Oh, the Epiphan's not in there yet. Cancel this. And exit and go back into it and see if it's in there yet. Still not there. Well, it looks like my computer is not going to install the necessary drivers for some reason. And now I'm going to pause to take a phone call. My system doesn't like the Epiphan, so we're just going to do this with a little webcam instead, which should be installed now. Settings, nope. All right, now add video capture device. We're still going to call it Epiphan because that's what you would call it. There we go. Logitech. Now, I think everything here stayed the same. Let's click on configure real quick. No, we don't want any of this. Alright, so click OK, and now we're going to go to settings. On encoding, this may have to switch per computer, but we found that 900 works well, and we found that a bit rate of 96 works well on the computer we were using it on. I have no idea how it's going to work on this one. I'm going to go and apply that just to be safe. Broadcast settings. Okay, so here is where that number goes that we had earlier. Get back to it. Okay, this number. So here we're going to type in RTMP : / 192.168.12.111 colon, and then 1935 for the port, / convention. And then for the play path, we're going to type in HS, which is for Hot Springs. You would type in whatever you want, but I'm going to type in HS right here. And I think that's it for that. Video, this can be adjusted, per your needs. Audio, we're going to go with the HD microphone on the webcam. Apply. Seems like there was something else I'm missing. Now, let's try that. Okay, so now we should be able to click Preview Stream, and there it is. Break my webcam. Okay. Hi. Alright, so now we're going to try stop preview. There was something else with audio, though, on whether you wanted it to go just to the stream. May have to have Caleb come back through and, show only connected devices, force microphone. No, that's not it. There was something that said, should you play the audio on the computer speakers or just to the streaming devices, so that you didn't end up with it playing on the computer speakers. And I have no idea where that is. So again, we may have to come back and figure that out. Alright, so now we're going to try to start streaming. Alright. I believe I'm on the same... Yeah, so I should be able to open VLC player now. Oh, security. We never set the security. This is why you should have all this down in your head before you make a video. Okay, I'm going to push pause real quick because I got to call Caleb. Somebody much smarter than me. That I was missing. So I think we should be done with the OBS. But Now, back here over on Wowza, we need to go to, so we're under Applications, and we're under the Convention one. We go to Source Security, and we're going to edit, and we're going to turn the security off. So we're going to make this open, open, no client restrictions, and then save. Alright, now let's see if that did what we need. Okay, now, see how this is not stretched properly? I forgot another thing you need to do is right-click here, go to Position, and Fit to Screen. Okay, so now it looks much better. Now this should be streaming. We can check over here in Wowza. Incoming streams, there it is. Okay, so we have HS coming in, and so here's the code, the RTMP. All right, so now we're going to open up VLC on my MacBook, and we're going to open a network stream. Open network. All right, so this one was RTMP ://92.168.12. I forgot the rest, so 12.111. And I also forgot the port number, which we can find under Source Security. Where was it? $1935. Now we're going to go /convention/HS. Theoretically, that will do it. Let's find out. Okay.
Theoretically, that will do it. Let's find out.
This is me talking into it.
Okay.
There is
So
a few second delay because it's just now.
This is me talking into it.
I don't know if my server is the best server.
Delay
it's an older generation.
It's just now moving over there now.
Server.
I don't know if my server is the best server. It's an older generation.
Manager load is on it right
server.
Now. Yeah, so it's running at 100% CPU.
Let's see what the task manager load is on it right now.
Putting a huge hit.
Yeah, so it's running at 100% CPU.
There it is. OBS 67. So
OBS
this is not the best server to run this on.
A huge hit.
It's not going to be all that smooth. Hopefully the computer that you're installing
OBS
on will be
67.
much faster,
so
much
this
smoother.
is not the best server to run this on.
Basic
it's not going to be all that smooth. Hopefully the computer that you're installing it on will be much faster and much smoother. But that is the basics on how to set it up.
That was important.
And I'm trying to think if there was anything else that was important.
There's one other thing. I got to make another phone call and I'll be back.